Instagram's close friends feature allows you to share your stories with specific group of people instead of everyone who follows you. It's a great way for sharing personal experiences, updates, or exclusive content with smaller circle of trusted friends. And here's how you can create a close friends list on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. From this page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings menu. Scroll all the way down, and there you will see the section of who can see your content, and you will see the option of close friends under this section just below the account privacy section. Go ahead and tap on close friends. Now add people to your list. Look through your followers and tap on the add or just check the box beside their name, and then tap on done in the bottom of the screen. And if you want to clear your close friends, you can go ahead and tap on clear all in the top right corner and then start adding other people on your close friend list as well. So you can add or remove people from your list at any time by going back to close friends section. You can share your stories with your close friends. When you post a story, tap on the close friends icon and make sure that it's only shared with the people on your list. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.